Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for no-fluff reviews and smart buying decisions. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best snow deer heated glove liners. Well, not exactly. We're actually diving into a top-rated contender that's giving them a serious run for their money, the Ihuan Winter Waterproof Ski Gloves for men and women. Let's find out why they've become Amazon's #1 bestseller in women's skiing and snowboarding gloves. At first glance, these gloves don't scream premium. They're sleek, minimalist, and available in a classic black finish. But the real value is under the surface. The outer shell features a skin-friendly, water-resistant fabric that repels snow and light rain. Inside, you get a soft and dense fleece lining that traps warmth without the bulk, making these ideal for temperatures between 20 to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike a lot of heavy-duty ski gloves that make you feel like you're wearing oven mitts, the Ihuan gloves strike a smart balance. They're lightweight, soft, and won't make your hands feel trapped. Whether you're cycling through city streets or walking the dog in the snow, you'll still have enough dexterity to grip, move, and act naturally. Just be mindful. While the main shell is water-resistant, the cuffs are not. So don't dip your wrists in the snow and expect them to stay dry. A huge win here is the anti-slip microfiber leather on the palm. This isn't just a cosmetic touch, it significantly improves grip and durability. Whether you're driving or carrying your gear up a slope, you'll appreciate that extra confidence. It's grippy without being sticky, and it holds up surprisingly well for gloves at this price point. After testing multiple conductive materials, they settled on one that actually works, not perfectly, but better than most. You can answer calls, swipe messages, and even snap a photo without yanking the gloves off in the cold. And for those of you wondering about maintenance, yes, you can wash them. Just remember to turn them inside out and hand wash them with a mild detergent. No dryers, no wringing. Lay them flat in a cool, shaded area and you're good to go. A little extra care will go a long way in preserving that inner waterproof membrane. At under $20, the Ihuan Winter Waterproof Ski Gloves offer insane value. They're not designed for extreme alpine adventures, but for most winter activities, driving, biking, running, even snowball fights, they're a solid bet. You get warmth, wind resistance, water protection, touchscreen access, and excellent grip. That's a lot of function packed into a budget-friendly package. That's it for today's breakdown. If you're looking for a reliable pair of gloves without breaking the bank, the Ihuan Winter Gloves deserve a spot on your shortlist. This has been Product Critique, helping you make smarter choices, one product at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what winter gear you want us to review next.